In this video, we are going to receive items on a purchase order created for an external supplier. To start, open a purchase order record. Under the Summary tab, you can find information about the purchase order, including the supplier and warehouse details. Now go to Customer Details tab. Under the Customer and Job Details section are links to customer records. These fields will be populated when the purchase order was raised for a customer's project. Over to the Shipping Address section. Displayed are the address details of where the goods will be delivered. This is populated when the purchase order is created. If the delivery address is the customer or job address, this will trigger an instant release and the goods are received. On the right-hand side, you can see the value of the purchase order and click on Billing to see information associated to the supplier invoices. If the goods are received to your warehouse, they still need to be dispatched to the job. There are multiple ways to release stock from a warehouse. Watch the picking and dispatch and the product usage video for more information. Under Product Details, you can see the items being purchased. To receive these goods, we are going to click on the Manage PO Receives button to open the widget. This widget is designed to handle the scenarios builders face when purchasing and receiving goods. From this widget, you can remove line items, add line items, change the values of items, transfer items to a new purchase order. Let's look at each of these processes. To remove items from a purchase order, tick the ones to be canceled and select Delete Line Item. This will remove the row from the purchase order and update the estimate and contract details. To add new items to a purchase order, click on Add Line Item. As you type the product name, the options will appear and complete the details. Please note this feature is only used to quickly add products to an existing purchase order. It generates an adjustment sales item to increase warehouse stock. To allocate this stock to a job or to purchase additional items for an existing estimate, refer to the Creating Purchase Orders video for more features. If you receive a different quantity or the cost was adjusted, you can update the unit cost, quantity purchased, and discount values here. If the item is related to an estimate, you cannot increase the quantity above the original quantity purchased, plus the pending quantity, unless the contract item has flexible quantities ticked. If you did not receive selected items in the delivery, and you want to transfer these to a new purchase order, then click on Reorder Line Item. Enter the reason for transferring the item to a new order, choose the supplier, and click on Move to New Purchase Order. This will generate a new purchase order record. Finally, if you want to mark the goods are received, click on Step 2 for Add Edit Receives. This will display the quantity purchased after any changes made in the first tab. There are 3 ways to receive goods in this tab. Use the Receive All button. This will update all items and all quantities are received. You can edit or delete the receive if the data needs to be corrected. Edit the quantity received and update the receive comment. If we delete this item, you can now see the quantity received as reset to 0. The next option is to click on Quick Receive to enter the quantities received on each item. Click on Receive Items to update the purchase order. Here you can see the quantity received. Finally, you can click on the individual rows. The remaining quantity is displayed. You can edit this quantity if required or add a comment and click on Add. Under each item, you can now see each purchase order received with the quantity received. At the top, you can also see the total quantity purchased and total quantity received. When you have completed the process, just close the widget. All the related records have been updated, including your estimate, contract, job, and budgets.